Hello everybody, my name is Max, this is No Code Nerd, and today we're talking about Blocksurvey. So, Blocksurvey, super cool. I believe it uses blockchain on the back end to make sure everything is secure. Basically, no code is a really awesome space. I really enjoy no code, obviously. That's why I run this little series. No code is a powerful thing, but one of the biggest questions that I get is it secure? Right? The cybersecurity kind of aspect of it. Are the apps that I build, are the websites that I build, or the forms that I build, is the information that I gather and or send and move around secure from hackers, from threats, right? And most no-code tools, in fact almost all, don't really emphasize security at all. But Blocksurvey is a survey tool, just like any other survey tool. You can create basically whatever you need and fully customize it. But this is, I believe, built using blockchain, and it is encryption and privacy focused. So I think they call themselves a privacy first survey platform. Yeah. So I really love that. I plan to use this especially for if I'm collecting things like patient data, right? Or if I'm moving highly sensitive information like user data that's a little bit more than just a username and email, right? Maybe if I'm like moving around passwords for delicate information or payment information, things like that. Any of that stuff I plan to use Blocksurvey for. I need to use Blocksurvey because I need to know that the information that I'm gathering is secure. So one of the only security focused tools that I've really seen out there, Blocksurvey. You need to collect information, you need to be really careful with it, privacy first. Check it out, it's awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next episode.